Yes, it's me, 5 nights around the night, and today I'm going to tell you guys why I've not been uploading in time what I did. I'm working on a big project. What is it, you might ask? I'm going to cut off this because it's kind of new. It's a story of Easter FNAF version. Version. Now that's the reason it will be long. That's what I remember. I need to get the songs and point. Well, I'm in there, but now I'm trying to improve what I have done. Here's a song. Take a palm leaf and hold it tight. Someone special is coming by. Wave your palm leaf from left to right. This is such an exciting sight. This Jesus, riding on a donkey, Jesus, riding on a donkey, Jesus, coming to Jerusalem. Take a palm leaf and hold it tight. Someone special is coming by. Wave your palm leaf from left to right. This is such an exciting sight. There's Jesus, riding on a donkey, Jesus, riding on a donkey, Jesus, coming to Jerusalem. Yeah. So yeah, that's the lines a bit. So yeah, the lines are a bit hard, and I'm halfway through writing the script. I'm actually going to move this out the way because I'm going to need to tell you more things. So yeah, I'm not going to use this in a minute. So, let me just, I'm going to say that then. So, you may be like, well, the songs are pretty good, so I don't really think you should improve them. And I'll show you one that I'm really good at. And I'm gonna let you choose it. This is a merry song. A tree stands alone upon Calvary's hill. Sorry. Let's try that again. A tree stands alone upon Calvary's hill, as a witness in ages to come of darkness, despair, and one who must die, our Saviour, the Almighty Son. With nails through his hands and a sword in his side, and a crown made of thorns on his head. No hatred he for the people below. Forgive them, dear Father, he said. The light on the earth faded quickly away, as an army of clouds it was done. The wind beat the air, and the rain lashed the ground, in anger of what had been done. The stars that looked down over Bethlehem saw a glory shine down from above. Now sadly reflect on the folly of man, as that with Christ born of true love. A tree stands alone upon Calvary's hill, from the witness in ages to come of darkness, despair, and the one who must die, our Saviour, the Almighty Son. Our Saviour, the Almighty Son. yeah, that was that one. So that's one I'm gonna keep from this little cost for having to show this moment. Right, so the reason why I got this on other cards, it's the instrument or something. I don't know how to say it. This is where nothing really happens. Right, so I've still got 10 minutes. 170 over now. 10 minutes. So I'm gonna talk through this one. I'm gonna tell you one line of it, and you believe it. This one's one of the harder ones. And I'll tell you that 7 been pregnant with this book since like March, so good because it's my line at least. I've actually got a load of songs of songs like every time you meet together, sharing wine and bread. Yeah, I've got to people sing more than one as well. I've got to make this. I've actually trying to make on another channel like to say, and then the actual because it was a spot. So how I know because it's been about it's been about 2. That's how I got my channel because I can't find stuff. Even though I can just get that. So get rid of that. So oh god, okay, so let's go from this. I've been leader of the small crowd. So basically, I've saw it because of this one. Like, cause I can sing this song right here. Yeah, that's my bunny who chooses his pilot to Splinter. Probably obvious, even though I'm gonna actually make a video of him. Splinter kill Nightmare Bunny. Oh, I see it is already a Nightmare Bunny killed Splinter and that. But no, it's fun because that's how the story was told. Oh yeah, I actually did. It look like I wet myself. Ooh, I like that news. I love that news. Some of what I can actually hear really actually use. I bet I got any of my first anniversary. Guys, I'm gonna be making new ones of these. Yeah, but the reason why everything came out for that. So I'm gonna tell you the line. Well, 5 words or something. So here's the line. In mine that says news ready. Funny enough, funny for that remarkable news is about really important about exciting events that's happening this week. It sounds pretty good about talking about something good as the Jesus sorry thank you for that. It's pretty interesting indeed that this is happening because nobody knew. But in the future it's probably gonna be weird today. Also, there's also the craziness of happening over the past weeks. But the good thing is that for the future, people will probably have this in the history and will probably be known a lot more. That's the way thing. I know Jesus will do full stuff as Son of God and Savior. I don't know if it says that, but we all mostly agree. But not all inside matters. So it's the hard part is the matter, like the mass, but someone like goes a bit matters. Well, doesn't really say all mass, but I might change that line. I probably will. I'm gonna change that line more likely for me to do because I might make it more complicated and more descriptive. But I need more. And this is how I talk these days. on, come on. Hey, cheesy. Oh, ooh. Oh. No, I don't want to. Ah! Don't worry about these. Okay, so. Oh, no, I don't want to see that. Oh god. So, yeah, so basically, that is what happened in. Oh, someone's right. That's what happened in this class these days. So, I don't know for a while, it's made practice in them practice. Because this will be a very, very long, hard thing to do. Now let's just watch some Minecraft man. 5 seconds. Next time I'm gonna add music on one of these that I made. And they probably for my birthday, because my birthday is this month. Let's just see. Ah! Who's this? Oh, go. You might be like, oh, they did. You know, you can use screencast.magic.com/screen recorder. Shitty. Ah! Who's this? Ring ring.
Hey guys, it's Jen.
What's up, dude?
Ah!
Welcome back to another
Where's
video.
that coming from?
We are playing Uno in Roblox.
That is right, the card game is now available in the game, and Jen is going to create a match for us right now.
Okay, so I'm gonna do.
So,
Anyone can join us.
Yes.
And then, that can make. Okay.
Right,
Change
so
the background to blue.
And then
Thank you for
I should be able to
watching.
join, and then a bunch of other people should be able to join too.
Bye, everybody. Yeah.
So
Well,
let's take a
God,
match.
shut up.
Super Girly Gamer. Okay, this is the only one available.
Okay.
Bye, everybody.
We're both set up and ready to play, right?
You think anyone else will join
I
us?
continue.
Okay, so